Aww. Oh my god, you've done Peppa Pig wrapping paper. I used to love Peppa Pig, so. Oh, I love it. Thanks. So when Mum stayed at our house when we went to Turkey, I think she's trying to hint to me that I need some Hoover bags. But genuinely, I'm glad that you got me those for Hermione. Oh, I love that. That's really pretty. Oh my god, I grew up. Are they lip balms? Yeah. I thought they were wax melts again for some reason. I haven't had Turkish Delight since I've been back from Turkey, so I'm very excited for that. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, and every single year she comes through with the big birthday badge.
A few moments later.
Thank you very much, Mother. I'm gonna try and do a magic trick, all right? Ready? I hope that worked. It's my birthday. So I am at my mother's today. I have come here to see her. It's my birthday tomorrow, but I'm working all day. She brought me to Pizza Hut. I got my little balloon. She spoiled me with some little presents. It was lovely. Thank you very much, Mum. Lovely way to start my birthday. Let's go. Hello. I'll take 2 books, please. Oh. Oh. Oh, Mum. Mum always gets me the big number balloons. It's so weird seeing 2-4.
I know, isn't it?
24 today. Stacey's gonna laugh at that. Bacon bits with a little bulb. We got this black cherry, which looks really nice. We are both absolutely stuffed, so we got one little cheesecake to share. That looks incredible. Nice.
Oh, that is better than cheesecake.
God.
Isn't it?
It's like eating a digestive biscuit, but with like, that's amazing. Mum actually went as far as getting me a cake delivered to the table. You're so cute. Thank you, Mum.
That's okay.
Me to you, 24. Oh, you're so cute. Thank you. Oh my god! No!
Yeah.
No!
Yeah.
I've just woken up and my main presents from this one to see some alpacas. I cannot wait. And look at this. Oh my god. You are incredible. Thank you so much. Oh my god, I am so excited. And I can't wait to go and walk some alpacas. Oh my god. Thank you. Got some lovely masterpieces from the kids. I'm going to say that's me. That's me and Logan. Aww. There is loads of balloons. Oh, she's decorated it for me. Oh, sis. I got another present from Stacey. Oh, I got my new earrings and my love. Oh, I love that necklace. I stayed up till 3 o'clock this morning to do this. So I got spoilt with a hamper for my birthday from this one. Thank you. And she decorated. Wait, I did show that this morning. But yeah, I can't wait. Okay, I want to open it now, please. Happy birthday to you. Ready? So, I have had a lovely day. I've been working all day. I have been surprised with the best presents from both Cicely and Stacey. I cannot wait to go on a helicopter ride, and I can't wait to see the alpacas. Cicely is currently driving us Western-super-Mare. We're going for a Mexican, my favourite, can't wait. Wearing my lovely necklace from Stacey and my birthday sash. We're in Western, so let us in, because they said if it's too busy, we ain't going in. There it is. So we got in the restaurant, we're now in. I am absolutely buzzing, because Mexican is my favourite. How insane does this food look? I finally found my kumquats, Nan. They had them on a drink, so I just asked her if she would do me a plate of them. So she gave me some. Stacey got the, what is it?
Mexican chili burger.
Mexican chili burger. I got prawn, king prawn fajitas, and Cicely got chicken enchiladas. I'm so jealous of that. What do you think about that, girls?
It was lovely. Yeah, really nice. Enjoyed that.
That was lovely.
Bloody lovely.
That was bloody lovely. Anyway, that was a really nice meal. Thank you for my birthday meal.
You're welcome.
It's bloody freezing in winter. So now it's just bring on next week. Yay! So I've just got in the car. Today we are going to London, well, Essex, London. The 26th. Happy birthday, Tyler. A couple of calls at work this morning. I'm working from 8 till 1 and then we're heading off after 1. So we're in the car. We're going to go and surprise my cousin Farah for her birthday. Can't wait to see you. She better be watching these vlogs. You excited?
Yeah, of course.
I'm really excited. We just said goodbye to Benj. Suitcase in the car. Let's go. We've made it to our, oh, you're in the mirror.
Hi.
We've made it to our hotel. Going to my cousin's house to go and surprise her.
Oh, these are buses.
That. Did you have a nice evening?
Yeah, I did. Nice bit of food.
We just had a really nice Indian. Happy birthday, Farah. We are now going back to the hotel. So yeah, basically we've come to London for 3 days.
We were in Thurrock.
Thurrock. And yeah, it was half an hour away from my cousin and it was her birthday today, so we thought we'd come and surprise her. Back to the hotel, have a bath, early night, buffet breakfast in the morning, and then...
It's 11:15.
Fair enough, late night, early start I meant to say, for a breakfast, and then we're going for I can't wait for the helicopter. So I've just woken up, we are to go for breakfast. What day is it today, Stace?
Helicopter day.
Ooh, I can't wait. I'm so excited to go on a helicopter. I really, really cannot wait. It's only 15 minutes away, so we're just about to go and have breakfast. It is currently, I haven't got my watch on, 2 minutes past 9.
And we've got to be there for 10:50 to go through all the health and safety and the check-in and stuff.
Yeah. Oh, we've got our hot breakfast and I've got a bit of granola with yogurt. I don't even think I want this. Am I going to get... No. You're an idiot.
I've got it.
She just said if you got the room card as she shut the door. We're going on a helicopter. I think that's our helicopter coming in. It is. Oh my god, it is. There's our helicopter. On that. We're about to get on the helicopter. Oh my God, that was
Incredible.
absolutely amazing. She is just so thoughtful. So lovely. That was amazing. It was so surreal. I was like shocked while we were up there, and then when I got out I was like, oh my God, we just flew over London. It was absolutely amazing. Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And now we are at Lakeside and we've just packed up and we're going to go and do some
shopping.
I got a free mango cooler and a millionaire shortbread courtesy of Costa as a birthday treat.
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me. Thank you very much, Costa. Stacey just got her free. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty they are.
Sparkles and everything.
That was
share,
her.
don't worry, it's your birthday.
She's only saying that super loud for the camera. That's a ruby hot chocolate. I got you into these.
Yeah, they're banging.
Let's go with our lovely free drinks. Thanks, Costa. Stacey's first time trying bubble tea.
The tea's good, but I'm not getting bubbles. I just chewed one. Yeah, but it feels weird. It's like that aloe vera drink with the fucking spawn in it.
Have you ever seen a restaurant as pretty as this? Oh my God! Look how many fish there are. And I got my last present of the birthday. Been very spoiled by her. Thank you very much. I've wanted this perfume. It's the Chanel Mademoiselle one for so long, and it is absolutely my favourite perfume ever, and it smells insane. I'm all shopped out. I don't know about you.
Yeah, I'm ready to go and chill for a bit before dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Finish my bubble tea.
Holiday vibes. We've been out all day, and then we're going to go back to the hotel, relax, get changed.
Have you had a good day?
I've had an
Are you
amazing
happy?
day. Yeah.
Beautiful. Waited long enough for that.
Smells so good.
So Miller and Carter it is.
It is so pretty.
Dinner on a boat. Happy birthday.
I can't wait. I'm well excited now. We made it into Miller and Carter, and we just ordered our food, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. We've got medium rare steak and truffle infused mushroom sauce. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So yeah, bring on the steak. Got our nibbles. Stacey, you gonna try an olive?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, not today. Maybe another time.
Look how good that steak is cooked. Want some?
No, thank you.
She said that about the olives, and then as soon as I turned the camera off, she ate it. Are you sure?
Yes,
That was the best steak. That was the best meal. Everything about the bit of cheese and a bit of sauce. Will you stop burping?
Sorry, appreciation of good food, isn't it?
And then tomorrow is the alpacas. But yeah, best meal ever. Happy birthday to me. And yeah, can't wait for tomorrow. So it is our last day in the hotel. We've just been and had breakfast. We've opted for pancakes and syrup and fruit this morning.
Oh.
Masterpiece. Just getting ready, and then we're going to see the alpacas. I can't wait. We've made it to the alpaca farm, but there's loads of people here, so I don't know how much I'm going to be able to do. Oh, the babies! Look at their little bums.
So these are our babies. I think they've got the babies almost about to have the adults way more for sunbathing, kind of tongues out, legs all over the place. Babies, when we do have kids in here, they get a really good bounce. They always wait till you're not looking, so you'll be the other side.
Hermione and her mate Ferrero.
Oh look!
Oh, she's got him trained already. Step back.
Having fun, Stace?
Yeah. Cute. What was I thought?
Are we getting some now, yeah?
Huh?
Are we definitely getting some?
Oh, maybe. Got to buy a farm first.
No, just a big house of half an acre, she said. That was unreal. We just spent 2 hours with the alpacas. That was amazing. Even Stacey loved it, didn't you, Stace?
Yeah, brilliant.
Oh, we had.
So worth it.
I got loads of kisses and cuddles in. Oh, that was lovely. That was the best. No, the best birthday present was definitely the helicopter. Insane, but this is close second. So yeah, we're just going to go and say goodbye and go and get some souvenirs from the gift shop, and then, yeah.
There she is. Emily.
There's girl play.
Girl, come and say hello. Look, she knows. She's giving us a little catwalk.
These are all the baby flus. Oh, look at that one.
One of the little lads we just had an experience.
No, I can't
with.
zoom in. No.
Oh, no, you can't.
But yeah, we finished our alpaca experience. That was absolutely amazing. We've had a lovely weekend. We've now got a 2.5 hour journey back home. Lovely weekend, and now time to make the vlog. Yay! But thank you so much.
And we still got Sunday to relax.
Well, I'm not. I'm working, but
I ain't.
thank you very much. I love you.
I love you
and
too. You're
enjoy
very
the vlog.
welcome.
Hi, baby. Hi, darling. Hi. Did you miss me? Did you have a nice weekend?
A lovely weekend. Yourself?
Yeah, thank you so much.
Until next time.